Hi, welcome to Kevi's Plants and Orchids. Today we will see the 4 Ixoras which are blooming in my garden. This is the orange color one. Actually all 4 are in different places. So I will show you one by one. This is planted in ground. See the bud is like this. And the most important thing it needs is sunlight. Even without fertilizer it may bloom, but without sunlight it won't bloom. So you have to plant it in a place where it gets good sunlight. This is a place it is not getting much sunlight, that is why it flowers but not like the other plants. Now that it is summer season, I am watering them regularly. I will show you the yellow variety. This is the yellow variety. It is also planted in ground and it has more flowers. In almost all branches are having flowers and buds. You would see. No, this is a seed which has come. Once the flowers have gone, no, the seed is developed. And almost all the branches, actually this is a, you would see, it's a big plant. So the flowers are here and there. And here also it gets some good sunlight. So that is why it is flowering nicely. See the buds of this plant. Beautiful plant. You can grow them by taking a small stem like this, and actually this I just grow just by sticking it to the ground. So you don't have to have a lot of this thing while growing an Ixora, but still if you are very much particular, you can take a nice drainage soil and grow them. I will show you the other side of this plant. See, many flowers. It's a full bush. So here and here. Beautiful plant, beautiful yellow color. And now that a lot of small branches are coming, it will flower in the. A new branch will end up in flowering. So you can prune them just before. In the spring season, you can flower before the spring season start. If you have a very good winter season in your place, you can just prune them after the winter. Here we are not having much winter season. So depending upon the place you live, you can take care of the plant. I will show you the other two also. This is a white Ixora. This is the one which is planted in a pot. You will see mint also living in it. Some rain lilies also in it. It's a big pot, so it can accommodate all the things. This I have not planted in ground. This is in the east side of my garden. So see, it's flowering. This has some pink lining. It's not pure white flowers. This plant I have to fertilize regularly. The plants which are in ground need not be fertilized regularly. But when you grow them in pot also it is growing nicely. See, the new branches have come. When you grow in pot also, you have to prune them. Only thing you have to take care much is giving fertilizer and water. You can't forget that. In ground even if you forget watering sometimes or fertilizing, it will survive. These are the buds. Lot of buds and flowers. This plant I have already shown you previously. Now that all of them are in bloom, I thought I will show you. I will show you the red one now. This is a big plant and you see the leaves are not in good because it is very dusty here. So, and it is grown tall also. It is full of flowers. I will show you one big bunch. It is in the eastern side of my garden. See the big bunch, this much big. When there is sunlight, the flowers will be very big, like this. Here all the flowers are just outside. Some of them are outside, some of them are inside. But this also planted in ground, that is why it has grown very big. It is also given water and I fertilize them once or twice in a year. Since it is a big plant, I don't have to worry much about it. Even if I forget watering, that also is not a problem since it is in the ground. Sometimes pesticides, pest attack is there, then I spray them with neem oil. See, new branches are coming. They are nearby my bougainvillea actually. Beautiful flower. Only leaves are looking dirty because it's a big plant and it is difficult for me to give them a shower. So only when the rain comes it gets shower. Otherwise no shower for this plant. See how big it is, the bunch. The radun is a big plant, so always there is some flower. Whether you prune it or not, it's always in flower. Nice plant. So these are the 4 varieties. Actually I have 5 varieties. One is not in flowering. So that is why I didn't show you. That is pink color. Maybe you like all my Ixoras. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are a new viewer, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.